Releasing dopamine.
Wagwan vlog girl. Yeah man, so I'm there. But no enough I probably I wonder wagwan for the vlog them and thing or not see the vlog them and thing. Basically vlog girl, to be honest, is not never did really a go on. I'm the kind of busy to be honest. Cause enough of you might not know this, but I tell you now. I signed to a company as a artistic director. It's still in line with the things I'm gonna do, and my work there's a part time, and I did that to open up many doors for the team and also create another stream in terms of revenue. And the good thing is I do that part time, as I say, so I get enough time for focus on sinus gaming. It also make some links, connections, and really just hoping it will grow, open some other doors I can even grow, the whole team, yeah, that's basically it. I really want to talk to you about today vlog world is this. Yo, don't allow nobody to use you. All if you love them, don't make nobody take you for fool. I may tell you why. And this is my lesson. Me vlog world is a very nice youth. He's a very, very, very kind youth. Loving, and enough people don't know. In spite of all of that one sip on they shoot them when I go carnival and so. That was really just content. Me, straight. Some of I love Jesus. I love God and all them things there. You know what I mean? And as Christian, straight up. Don't watch the vlog them and all them things there. That are just content I get for UNO. International peeps them for watch and things so they can enjoy on themselves. You know what I mean? But that's for a different topic. Why I can't tell you about that. So me is a cool youth, I'm very kind, and you see if I love you, yo, me is a man who go high and above for my people and my friend them and so. You know what I mean? But along the way, I learn vlog world is this. Say yo, so when people want your help and you dead for them, all the time them usually call me Superman when me work. You know what I mean? Superman them come me. Yo, me a man may help enough people. Me never want to start telling them help people from kill themselves, come right down. From people usually take drugs, all them things there, you know what I mean? Trust me. Trust me. Yo, always there for people. But you know what I learn? So when you want help, and you want, sometimes them same people there for you, you not get that help there. It's very unfair, and it's something that complex, very complex, and it's something that usually bother me and trouble me, and usually get angry about it. You know what I mean? Vlog girl, you know what I mean? And it's very disappointing a lot of time too. And what I've also learned that enough people are users. Them will use you. You really think them have your back and them really not there for you still. Them just there for just a moment or opportunity. And you know what I learned? I said people will always be people. And one of the next lesson I learned is you can't force people. Don't force people for be a part of your life. You know what I mean? If for somebody you like or care, if you message them and them not message back, don't force up yourself on them. Leave them. If you love a girl, or for ladies, if you love a youth and you just constantly put out and just do all of that things, you say them now come your way, it a go hard, but try to fight it. You know what I mean? I tell you this from experience. You know what I mean? I find myself one time in a relationship. For the first time, I never usually do this, For the first time vlog girl, I find myself, I run back at the girl. You know what I mean? And then it's like one day me there I pray vlog girl and you know God tell me say, yo my youth is a king. You have the spirit of David. Don't run off a fox. Don't chase off a fox. You know what I mean? And from then me just pull back. You know what I mean? And I know it's like a kind of hard vlog world in terms of enough little things. And I know for many of you people who know that feeling there, you know what I mean? People just use you and just take you for fool and so. But I believe a lot of times when people constantly will use us and take us for fool is we allow it. You know what I mean? That's why. And when I heard somebody said that, well, when I heard one time my girlfriend at the time said to me that you can't make yourself too available for everybody. And I said, what she mean by that? And God, when I say God said you're supposed to be selfless and this and that and that and that. I understand what she mean. You can't make yourself too available for everybody or all the time. You know, you have a thing where you call save your energy. You have to learn to save your energy, save time for you. You know, and you have to save time for you. You know what I mean? The greatest witness against a man is him action, you know. Yeah, a man actions will always be the greatest witness against himself, and that in the Bible. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so you watch people, vloggers, if you know what I mean, watch people actions will make you know everything. You know what I mean? Yeah man, vloggers, so just don't allow nobody to use you and take you for no convenience store. You know what I mean? Cause for me, I usually for everybody. I go high and I go high for everybody. And then when you dip on your face, bloom, worst thing ever. The worst thing ever, vlog world. Reaching a place where you just feel so lonely. And I say, all of my friend them there. Who they have, you know what I mean? That's the funny thing too. Show me the entertainment from back then up to now. No whole heap of people, but my phone, really, most of the time my phone just ring when people want things. So you know I start to know? Just not answer the phone call them. Or just tell them no. Or just cut them off. Because I don't need no user around me or no negative or fake people. You have to be real with yourself. You know? And some who know say people are using and taking off for fool. Or people not really wanting around them. But you love and care about them as a friend, you enough up yourself and push up yourself. Trust me, you know that. But just be careful, you know what I mean? There's a reason why sometimes them things happen. Maybe God just don't want you around them none at all. And God probably just give you a sign. You see it, but that was my 2 cents. Save your energy. Don't make nobody take you for no fool. You know the true people them will love you. You know what I mean? You know them by them actions. Vlog world. So watch people. Be kind. Be kind, yes. But don't make nobody take you for no fool. You know what I mean? So love. Be kind. But don't be stupid. You know what I mean? You hear me say? Love and be kind. But don't be stupid. Don't make nobody use you, is it? So big up on yourself, vlog world. That was just my 2 cents. Continue to stay focused and positive and motivated, is it? And remember that nothing can stop you because God is your rock.